Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something really cool for anyone starting their musical journey or just needing a piano on the go. This is the POGOLAB 49-key roll-up keyboard piano, specifically the fun rainbow version. It's designed with beginners in mind, offering a super portable way to practice and play. The first thing you notice is the design. It has 49 standard-sized keys, but they're made from premium environmental-grade silicone. This makes the whole thing soft, flexible, and you can literally roll it up. The rainbow colors are a nice touch, making it visually appealing, especially for younger players or just adding some fun. Because it rolls up, it's incredibly portable. You can easily stash it in a backpack or the included box, saving a ton of space compared to a traditional keyboard. This means you can practice your fingering or just jam out pretty much anywhere, perfect for travel, visiting friends, or even just moving it around the house. Despite its compact size, it packs in some useful features. You get 8 different tones to experiment with, and there are 6 educational demo songs built in, which is great for learning. It also has a record function, so you can lay down a melody and then play it back. There's an echo sustain feature to add some depth to your sound. It has a built-in speaker with volume control, so you can play out loud, but it also includes an audio output jack, meaning you can plug in headphones for quiet practice or connect it to an external speaker for more volume. One thing to note is that it doesn't have a MIDI function, which is something to keep in mind if that's a feature you need. Powering this keyboard is easy because it has a built-in rechargeable battery. No need to constantly buy batteries. You can just plug it in and charge it up whenever needed. The keys themselves are made from thick silicone, giving them a decent feel when you press them, whether you're playing one note or chords. And because they're silicone, cleaning is a breeze. Just a quick wipe with a wet cloth is all it takes. Given its features, portability, and ease of use, this roll-up piano makes a fantastic gift. Whether it's for a friend, a family member starting piano lessons, or for holidays like birthdays, Christmas, or back to school, it's a thoughtful and fun present that encourages creativity and learning. It's really designed to make playing accessible and enjoyable, increasing that happy atmosphere wherever you use it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.